Dear friends, listen to World Radio, Radio New World. The long-awaited LIJIANI 239s has finally been officially launched. Today, we will unpack the box together. That's it, LIJIANI 239's W2. And it can also be remotely controlled with an app. That is to say, it doesn't just have a radio. There is also a two-signal repeater. With the use of radio, allows you to better listen to medium wave and short wave signals indoors. A radio LIJIANI 239s. A repeater W2. A manual. The font is quite large. Easy to read. Guide for using signal repeater. A charging cable used on the radio. A charging cable used on transponders. It's a long wire antenna plugged into the repeater. 1BL5C battery used on the radio. Two 80,650 batteries, 2,500 mAh, 5,000 mAh used on transponders, a non-adhesive hook. It is used to hang the signal repeater. We have a transmitter antenna used to forward the signal from the repeater to the radio. It uses Bluetooth technology. This radio has two modes of power supply. One is a BL5C battery. So here it is. The other one is 3 AA battery. Lithium batteries are still more convenient to use. Does my chic smile look like a clown? Lack of lover. In the future, many friends will give you too much, and I will collect the excess tenderness. Wave your hand and stop holding hands. I want to say that I envy the doll in your arms. After watching my unpacking and testing, what do you think of this LIJIANI 239's radio with a W2 signal repeater? Feel free to comment below the video. Listen to World Radio, the new world of radio. Welcome to Listen to World Radio.
解锁了了不起的誓言呐！哦，威廉叔叔谢谢了。
期内难回落至梅雨季冲突前水平，市场需关注霍尔木兹海。